In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get picture-in-picture on YouTube desktop with no extension required. Picture-in-picture is a handy feature that lets your video pop out into a small floating window that stays on top of other apps. That way, you can keep watching a YouTube video while browsing other websites, checking email, or working on a document, all on the same screen. You don't need to install any extra software or browser extensions for this. We'll use a feature that's already built into most modern browsers. Start by opening your browser on your computer and going to the YouTube website. Play any video you'd like to watch. Make sure the video is actually playing, not paused, because picture-in-picture works best once the video has already started. Now, move your mouse over the video so that the usual YouTube controls are visible. Here's the key part. Instead of just right-clicking once like you might normally do, you're going to right-click on the video twice. The first right-click opens YouTube's own context menu. That's the black menu you might recognize with options like Copy Video URL or Copy Embed Code. Ignore that one for now. Without moving your mouse off the video, right-click again. This second right-click tells your browser that you want its own video menu instead of YouTube's. You should now see a different, usually smaller menu appear. In this browser menu, look for the option called Picture-in-Picture or something very similar, depending on your browser. Go ahead and click that option. As soon as you do, the video will pop out into a small floating window, usually in one corner of your screen. You can click and drag this mini window to reposition it wherever it's most convenient. And you can also resize it in many browsers by dragging from the corners. At this point, you're free to switch tabs, open other websites, or even move to a different application on your computer. The YouTube video will keep playing in that floating window on top of everything else. You'll still have simple controls in the mini player to pause or play the video, and often to return it to the original tab. If you ever want to go back to watching normally, just click the button in the mini player that sends it back to the tab, or close the floating window and hit play again on YouTube. And that's all there is to it. No extensions, no extra downloads, just a quick double right-click and selecting picture-in-picture on your desktop browser.